What's going on, folks, and welcome back to Beans to Greens. Today is season 1, episode 13 of our Seed to Smoke series where we're growing the Trainwrecks. The gals are about a week into flower at this point, and also a week since we have top dressed them. So I wanted to show you a quick update, show you how the girls have been progressing over the past week, and show you what they're looking like. But before we get into that, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, make sure you turn on notifications as well so you don't miss any new content. And speaking of content, if you are just coming to the channel for the first time, welcome to the channel. I appreciate you stopping in. And for all of my subscribers, I thank you all for coming back. But drop down in the comments below, what do you guys have growing on inside your gardens? I always love to find out. So why don't I grab that camera and we'll hop into the flower tent, show you what's going on. All right, folks. So we're back in the flower tent. And as you can see, we have got wall-to-wall coverage inside this 5x5, which is absolutely amazing. That's exactly what we're trying to achieve when trellising plants. As you can see, they are stacking up really nice. This tent is really filled in very, very well. And again, we got a bud site in each one of those squares, which is great. Let me show you what the canopy is looking like just from a level view. You can see that the canopy is pretty damn even. Can't complain. And also, some of these bud sites are actually up above where the second trellis is going to go. Come next week, you'll probably see the trellis already set up as these bud sites continue to get taller and everything like that. And the main purpose of the second trellis is mainly just support. It will aid in training a little bit, but for the most part, we've trained already, and all of these bud sites are where they need to be moving forward. But the second trellis is just going to aid in support as the buds grow through the trellis and they get thicker and we get deep into flower. The buds might want to flop over, and so the second layer trellis is going to help support them and make sure that that doesn't happen. As far as environmental conditions, I have the light dimmed down to 80% right now, and it is in flower. But I'm going to keep it at 80% probably through the stretch. I'm going to see how tall these plants get and see if it makes sense to flip it to 100% to slow them down if I need to. But for the most part, I think I'm going to keep it at 80%. I've also kept the humidity at 60% for the first week. I've dropped it down to about 58%, and now I'm just going to continue to drop it down slowly, just over the next couple of weeks. And where we'll end up is about 45% relative humidity inside of this tent, about midway through flower, towards the end of flower. We want to make sure that we're not going to have any issues of powdery white mildew or mold, bud rot, things like that. But the plants are looking really good. They are stacking up, as I said, and you could see that they are definitely starting to flower. You could just see all of the different bud sites really balling up. And if you look closely, you can see some pistils coming off of the plants as well too. So they're definitely showing signs of them being female. We'll keep an eye on these plants, but just wanted to give you all a quick update. All right, folks, so that's it for today's video. Season 1, episode 13 of our Seed to Smoke series where we're growing the Trainwrecks. If this is the first time you're popping in and checking out the channel, make sure you go over to the playlist section and you'll be able to see this entire series up until this point. And also make sure you drop a comment down below. I appreciate everybody commenting on the videos. Also make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you get turned on for notifications so you don't miss any new content coming out. And until next time, let's keep growing together.